LMU Munich Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're a student or prospective applicant at Ludwig Maximilian University in Munich, the LMU Munich app promises to make campus life and study management easier, but does it deliver? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming university apps are only for course schedules. With LMU Munich, you can access class timetables, exam dates, and campus news all in one place. For example, students can check lecture halls, view professor contacts, and receive notifications about schedule changes instantly. The app also supports administrative tasks. You can enroll in courses, track grades, and view official documents digitally. This reduces paperwork and long queues at campus offices, which is a huge time saver for busy students. Another advantage is campus integration. Maps, events, and social notices help students navigate the university environment easily, whether it's finding a library or joining student organizations. However, there are cons. Some users report occasional crashes or delays during peak registration periods. The interface can feel unintuitive for new users, and some advanced features like transcript downloads or detailed administrative forms may still require desktop access. In conclusion, the LMU Munich app is perfect for students looking to stay organized and connected on campus. The surprising truth is that while it streamlines many everyday tasks, it's not yet a full replacement for desktop administration tools. For navigating classes, schedules, and campus life efficiently, the LMU Munich app is highly useful, but patience and occasional desktop use may still be necessary for certain tasks.